Good morning, children. I am Pooja Pareva. With me, Sanjay Bharadwaj. Today, we will study Class 9th, Subject English, Textbook, Beehive, Prose. Lesson 10. Kathmandu. Part 2. Children, in Part 1, we knew about the summary of this lesson. Today, we will do question answers of this lesson. Okay, let's start. Question number 1, word meanings. Children, in this question, we will learn meaning of these English words in Hindi. Capital, राजधानी. Notice, ध्यान देना. Restrict, प्रतिबंध लगाना. टेम्पल, मंदिर. मार्केट, बाजार. Question number 2, choose the correct alternative. Children, in this question, we will choose a correct answer and write it in the bracket. During his trip, Vikram Seth visited dash temples. Correct answer is 2. So, we will write A in the bracket. Question number 3, match the phrasal verbs in column A with their meaning in column B. Children, in this question, we will match these phrasal verbs in column A with their meanings in column B. Okay? Number 1, break out. Correct answer is C. Off start, suddenly, usually, a fight, a war, or a disease. We will match like this. Number 2, break off. Correct answer is A. To come apart due to force. We will match like this. Number 3, break down. Correct answer is B. Stop working. We will match like this. Number 4, break away. from someone. Correct answer is F. To escape from someone's grip. We will match like this. Number 5, break up. Correct answer is D. And a relationship. We will match like this. Number 6, break into. Correct answer is E. Break and enter illegally, unlawful, trespassing. We will match like this. Question number 4. Answer the following question. Name the 2 temples the author visited in Kathmandu. Answer: the author visited 2 temples in Kathmandu. First, Pashupatinath temple. Second, the Buddhanath Stoop. So children, now we have completed question answers of this lesson. Now you will do homework yourself. Okay? Homework. Question number 1. Write the meaning of the following words in English. Children, in this question, you will write meaning of these Hindi words in English. For example, Rajdhani. We will write CAPITAL. Capital. In the same way, you will write meaning of these Hindi words in English yourself. Question number 2. Choose the correct alternative. What is the color of the dome of the Buddhanath Stoop? Choose the correct answer and write it in the bracket. Question number 3. Match the phrasal verbs in column A with their meaning in column B. Children, in this question, you will match these phrasal verbs in column A with their meaning in column B. For example, break out. Correct answer is C. Of start suddenly, usually a fight, a war, or a disease. You will match like this. In the same way, you will match these columns yourself. Okay? Question number 4. Answer the following question. Name 5 kinds of fluids. Write the answer yourself. So children, now we have completed this lesson. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.